Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are looking for a secure, feature-packed wallet to manage your crypto in 2025, the crypto.com DeFi wallet might be what you need. It's more than just a wallet, it's your gateway to decentralized finance, but it is the right choice for you. Let's explore everything that you need to know before you get started using it. So the crypto.com DeFi wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives you full control of your private keys. Unlike centralized wallets where you depend on the platforms, this wallet puts you in charge of your assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DeFi integration, making it a one-stop solution for all your decentralized finance needs. So whether you are staking, swapping, or just holding, this wallet keeps your crypto safe and easily accessible. Now let's talk about some of the features of crypto.com DeFi wallet. In DeFi wallet, you have complete control of your private keys, ensuring full ownership of your crypto. The wallet supports multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Kronos, and Binance Smart Chain. You can access DeFi protocols directly from the wallet, including staking, liquidity pools, and yield farmings. You can use biometric authentication, passcodes, or a 12-word recovery phrase to keep your assets secure. You can manage and showcase your NFTs from supported networks all in one place. It also gives you the effortlessly swap token feature, and you can even bridge assets between the supported chains. Now let's break down the advantages and drawbacks of the crypto.com DeFi wallet. If I talk about the pros, you get full control of your private keys. It supports multiple blockchains and DeFi protocols. It's beginner friendly with a clean and intuitive interface, and it is integrated with crypto.com apps for the seamless transfers. Now, if I talk about the cons, it is limited to the advanced features for the seasoned DeFi users, and the transaction fees can vary depending on the blockchain used. So getting started with the crypto.com DeFi wallet is quite easy. You just have to simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and here you need to search for crypto.com on-chain, or you can even search for the crypto.com DeFi wallet. Afterwards, you just have to simply proceed with the creation of your account, and if you want a detailed video or the detailed tutorial on account creation at crypto.com DeFi wallet, you can do let me know in the comments. So if you are looking for a wallet that balances security, multi-chain support, and easy access to DeFi, the crypto.com DeFi wallet is a solid choice. It's especially great for the users who want to bridge the gap between the crypto.com app and the decentralized world. However, if you are a power user looking for highly advanced DeFi tools, you might need additional platforms to supplement this wallet. And that's wrap up our reviews for the crypto.com DeFi wallet for 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more in-depth crypto tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.